Nan, babo kabalen! Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wonton Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wonton Pampanga community. Isa sa mga gusto kong bansa na puntahan ay ang Taiwan para matikman ang kanilang mga pagkain. At the same time, makita yung mga view doon. Siyempre, di ba? Ang gandang bansa nun. And isa nga sa mga pinupuntahan ng mga turista doon ay ang kanilang mga street food. Now, for today's vlog, we would like to thank Walk It Out for sending us these Taiwanese dimsum. So, no need for me to go there para matikman for now. Pero syempre, for sure, pupuntahan ko rin ang Taiwan. But for now, let me introduce to you the dishes that they sent us. So, meron po tayong platter dito. Look at this. Check this out. So, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimsum in this platter. By the way, ang mga dimsum po na sinaserve nila are pork and shrimp siomai, Hakaw, pork Xiao long bao, pork dumplings, prawn dumplings, Tausi Spareribs, Molten Choco Xiao long bao, Kutchay Dumplings, pork wonton in chili oil. So, lahat po nun ay available po sa kanila for orders right now. Yeah, ito yung mga platter na pinadan nila sa atin. Grabe, this is such a feast. So, for this one, let me, dip it here. Medyo, this looks like, soy sauce. I think so. So, according to our orientation with the owner, so si Walk It Out po started in Cainta. So, that's their first branch. And then, I believe they also have a branch in Metro South. And then, lastly, dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga. So, this time, I'm gonna dip it here. This is also interesting. It has parang chili oil ito. Super duper anghang nito. Oh, wow. So, for me, that one, it's not starchy. It has parang a little bit of crunchy texture inside it. Very interesting. Ang sarap. Okay, this time I wanna dip it here. Daming dip nito, ha? This time, I think this dip is a little bit fishy. So, another dish that got me interested is this Tausi Spareribs. Tayo Kapampangan, yung tinatausi natin. And most of the time, it's in black sauce, no? So, let's taste it. Oh, wow! Napakalambot. Napakalambot, guys. And then for me, parang medyo meron siyang aftertaste na wine. But then again, yeah, it's interesting. Sarap nito. Hahanap siya ng kanin. So next I wanna taste is this. So again, I wanna dip it dito sa medyo na soy sauce. This one. I like this one. And a little bit spicy. Parang nagugustuhan ko na to. This is so far my favorite. This dip right here. So this time, I'm gonna dip it dito sa parang sweet and sour. Oh yeah. So it doesn't have that parang oily aftertaste. I like the fact that it's crunchy. Kasi yung pinaka-core niya, yung pinaka-meat niya, it's so tender. This one is their Kutchay. So yung sauce niya is a little bit thick. Ayan, notice it. Tikman natin, guys. Wow! Sobrang na-impress ako. First of all, ang sarap nitong this sauce right here. If I may describe it, para siyang barbecue teriyaki. Somewhat ganun yung yung lasa niya. And then, this, yan, parang vegetable-based dumpling right here. Ito siya, ayan. Sobrang sarap niya. Ang sarap ng aroma. It has fresh greens. Gotta try it, guys. Yan nga na. I gotta keep this one. Tago ko to. Parang tatago ko to. Pork wonton in chili sauce naman. Looks really chili. Oh wow. Wonton is steam. Parang silky yung texture niya. And the taste, yan nga na. I gotta say again, it doesn't have that parang really fishy aftertaste or starchy from the mga wrap. So lastly, this is pork Xiao long bao. Oh, ooh, Xiao long bao. Hey, look at that. Ooh. So neat. Ang galing ng craftsmanship ng nag-prepare nito, grabe. As soon as you chew it or bite it, parang siyang flavor inside it explodes. So don't just judge it. This one's really good. My take, I think one of the must try or recommended na you guys gonna have is this one, Kutchay Dumplings, which is really flavorful. I like it. And then this one, the Bae Ribs, sobrang lambot niya, guys. Sobrang lambot niya. And because of that, I'm gonna have another one. And then the platter naman itself, for sure, when you bring this to your, office or even to your family sa bahay, they're gonna be wowed, no? It's the taste of Taiwan, all-in-one platter. So yung mga ready-to-cook po nila are available Monday to Sunday. Yung mga ready-to-eat naman are available every Saturdays and Sundays. They're open for resellers, so if you wanna do side hustle, make sure to contact them. But if you just wanna enjoy this, the link po is provided below, so make sure to contact them, walk it out. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, if you have got into this video so far. And if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and stay safe. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye.